finally ready, y'all. Got dressed, you know what I'm saying? Woke up a little bit. And man, it's hot out here. I don't think y'all know, but I stay in the south and it's hot. Man, I'm telling y'all, it's like burning up. So sorry if y'all can barely hear me because it's air. But it's hot. I gotta turn the air out. I'm sorry. But man, I'm finna I gotta clean up this car, man. I need to vacuum it out. It's a little trash in here, so we're gonna go do that first. Then I do need a new phone case because this case right here is kind of like dirty looking, whatever. So I think I'm gonna go somewhere, Walmart, Five Below, somewhere to get me a new phone case, and I need a new screen protector because I kind of dropped it and it's kind of cracked a little bit, so I need to get that. I gotta get my second COVID shot. I got the first one, I gotta get my second one, man. So y'all gonna see me go get that, and we're gonna keep it moving for today, man. We're gonna keep rolling. Probably gonna hit up a couple stores too. Y'all know just check some stuff out, might cop some things. So you know how it is, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. If you're new to the channel, please go hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Got more videos. I told y'all I was coming with these daily vlogs, man. I'm gonna try to do like two or three a week of daily vlogs. So y'all stay tuned, man. If y'all like them, man, smash that like. I keep doing them. I do them every day of the week. But that don't mean I'm not doing my reaction, my reviews on the clothes and that. I'm still doing that. But yeah, man. So let's go clean this car out because it's looking pretty filthy. It's hot. Let's get it. Man, my car's so dang on junky. I got all type of stuff everywhere, y'all. Side though. Finna get it right, man. Finna clean it up. Move these cords out the way, cause that vacuum be sucking up my cords. Let's get it. Just finished cleaning out this car, and boy, it is hot. I am breaking out the whole sweat, man. It's definitely hot. That's why I got this air blast and I got my water. If you're in the heat, make sure you bring some water because it's hot. Finished cleaning the car, man. Look pretty good. I got some wipes, so I'm gonna wipe it down. Lights Out wipes from Dollar Tree. They do good. Disinfect, wipe everything down, you know. And after this, man, we're gonna go ahead to probably Five Below Walmart so I can find me a new phone case. So let's get it.
Never had a lot, this is all I need. People never care till it's RIP. Niggas turn their back on me for no.
I got my case. It's just a plain regular black case I had got from Five Below because I just needed a new one. But now, man, I'm on the way to get something to eat. I don't know what I want to eat, man, but I'm hungry. I'm starving. Head's starting to hurt, so you know I gotta eat something. So, man, I might get, I don't know, something down this around here, man. They got some good eating places. So I'm gonna grab something to eat, man. Then after I eat, it's gonna be time for me to get my second COVID shot. So I'm gonna go get this second COVID shot. Then, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, man. It's been hot out here. Hungry. Got a little phone case. This is the phone case right here, y'all. For 11. I got 11 Pro Max, and it's just a plain black little case. And you know, hope it do pretty good, hold up pretty well. And yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, I'm right here at the COVID place to get my second shot. Finna run in here and get this shot real quick. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm sick, kind of scared. A lot of people saying after they got their second shot, they was feeling sick. Arm was numb and some more stuff. So I'm sick scared, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this shot, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated, man. See how it is. Most of y'all probably got it, so most of y'all probably straight. But finna go and get it. Got my little card, my little vaccination record card. So I get the second one, we straight. I'm good to go. But see y'all when I get out. I don't know if they're gonna let me record or not. Yeah, but see y'all when I get out. Peace. Alright, y'all, just got my shot. Y'all see the little sticker. Fully vaccinated. Feeling okay. You know, I'm good with needles. Pretty straight. The lady was pretty nice. You know, just pretty good. You know, you see the wound. Last vaccine wound. I see that. But yeah, feeling pretty good. Oh Lord. Hold on. No, it ain't nothing. I think I got the bubble guts. But yeah, man. So I got to go to the crib. About to hop on 2K Call of Duty. Y'all already know. I'm gonna make this Twitch, y'all. So y'all need to go ahead and join that Twitch, man. I'm gonna start streaming the game, streaming and everything too. And probably work out later and do some more things. Y'all just stay tuned. Rock with me. Thank y'all for watching so far. More vlogs coming on the way. I'm telling y'all, man, they're gonna be lit. Got some lit vlogs coming, pranks and all. If you're a Pierre fan, you shouldn't be asleep on this song. This is one of the top songs on here. Yeah. What is it? I got something for you if you want it. I got something for you if you want it. You shouldn't be asleep. Hey, you shouldn't be asleep on this song. Y'all hear this beat? Made it back home, man. Did a lot today. I don't know if I vlogged a lot. Some stuff. I did run to Target. Just got like a toothbrush and some other stuff, but there wasn't much. But yeah, man, it was a good little vlog today, I think. If y'all like it, man, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. If y'all like these vlogs, man, I'm gonna keep doing them. Y'all just comment below if y'all want some more vlogs. I upload daily vlogs. I'm gonna do more pranks. I'm still gonna do the reaction videos and the clothing review. So y'all stay tuned, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for love and support. Let's keep running it up, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning with me, rocking with me throughout my day. And see y'all in the next vlog. I'm out.